Hi, I'm Gretchen Hedke with the Adoption Law Firm. 2024 brought us a brand new adoption code, so let's discuss 10 things about grandparent and relative adoptions in 2024 in 2 minutes. 1. Who counts as a relative besides grandparents? Great-grandparents, a great-aunt and uncle, an aunt and uncle, a sibling, and a half-sibling, and their spouses. Anyone more distantly related to the adoptee, such as a cousin, does not count as a relative for the purposes of adoption. This matters because a non-relative must complete a full home study. 2. An unmarried grandparent or relative can petition to adopt. If the grandparent or relative is married, their spouse must join in the petition. 3. Before a final decree of adoption can be entered, the adoptee must have resided with the grandparent for 1 year. 4. The consent of the legal mother and legal father are required with few exceptions. A natural parent can provide express or implied consent. They can give implied consent in several ways, including abandonment. 5. If the adoptee doesn't have a legal father, the adoptee's putative, meaning alleged, father's consent is required if he complied with the Alabama Putative Father Registry and responds to notice of the adoption within 30 days. 6. If you're unsure who the natural father is, the probate court has authority to make a determination of paternity. 7. Notice of the adoption has to be sent to any person whose consent is required, state DHR, and possibly others depending on the circumstances. 8. Home study investigations used to not be required for grandparents and the defined relatives. Now, the relative needs to complete FBI and SBI clearances, child abuse and neglect clearances for all household members 14 years and older, and a home safety inspection. 9. If the adoptee is 14 or older, the adoptee must sign a consent and can choose to keep their current legal name. And 10. The grandparent must intend to form a legal parent-child relationship with the adoptee. Adoption solely for the receipt of government or other benefits is not permitted. Did I do it? Awesome. Well, please reach out to us if you have more questions.